Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspora. Thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you're a new viewer, definitely go to my channel, watch all the videos. And if you're liking these videos and if you want more videos, then hit the subscribe button so that you can learn more from this channel. For the ones who want additional services only, then WhatsApp 7892652481 is our customer care number. So whenever they are free, they will reply to your messages. For the ones who want to be part of my secret Telegram channel for only for learning, no recommendations, and when I'm free only, I keep posting. So remember this. So you can click the link in video description and open your account, and whoever opens through us in either Angel Broking, Zerodha or Upstox, you'll be part of our secret Telegram channel for lifetime learning and bonding and just to be connected in the group. So a small injury for me. It's very difficult to hold the phone also because the whole hand pains. In the gym while doing a personal training, I jumped and I hit my finger, this finger, right? So this finger hit a box, a jumping box. I have to jump 3 feet high and stand on the box. So while doing that process, I was doing for the first time. I didn't know about my hands. I did like this, and this finger got pulled. So got pulled like this. So yeah, I checked with the doctor, X-ray, and everything is fine. No big issues. Just a small ligament or dot of ligament damage that will recover in 1 week or something. A small swelling also is there. So the whole hand pains now. So I can't use my phone also today. When I was doing the live trade also, I couldn't use the phone in this finger because 1+7 is a little bit big. So I used to keep on the bed and I used to use, and I'm not used to clicking in this finger also. So I was like an elbow I was doing, not confident also. Somehow I managed it. So anyways, today's trade is done. So what I wanted to talk about is, I didn't want to record my live trade video. First of all, I'm not well. Apart from that, every day I'm doing. Yesterday I did live trade video, and last week full live trade videos only. So I didn't want to show the same. You guys know what I'm going to do. Market is going to be neutral and all that stuff. But that's secondary. Now, what I want to teach my audience is that how to reinvest this profit. Because this is very important, guys. Not just making profit. Now I can take out this 10,000 into my account and in my saving account. And I know I will spend it off. Right? And we forget what happened. But always remember, when you get some extra money like this, apart from your salary, which we spend out, this extra money, reinvest this money in such a way that your money should make money. Okay, remember, your money should make money. How many days will you sit and you sit and work in the office and wait for your monthly salary? As soon as the monthly salary come, you have credit cards, your bills and all that, and you pay everything, and end of the month you start borrowing money from your friends. Like I have done all this when I was working in corporate. So I know the feeling of that, and I understood that I don't have other backup. My only backup is company has to pay me month end, and that gets over, I'm done. Rest is my friends. I need to ask my friends and all. So I realized now, by doing this YouTube channel, by reading books and lot of things, I realized that your money should make money. And I am still 27 and I've started small investments everywhere, so that in a long run, other 5-10 years, this money will make me big money, and I don't have to work, or I don't have to go anywhere or even do any trainings or anything. I can just relax, get some monthly money from my investments. So start doing this. I know it's a small profits or small returns you're looking for now, but investment is not one time, guys. Investment should be continuous. So when you keep investing, maybe 100 rupees you're getting monthly from whatever 50,000 or 16 putting. That if you're adding your investment again and again, this 100 becomes 200, 500,000, 2,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 monthly. So this, I am sure this 20-30,000 will be more than enough for any person to survive, for food and shelter and all that. So plan your financial life in such a way that in case you lose your job, in case you're not well, you couldn't work, anything happens to you in your life, your financial life is not affected. Your money is making money, not you. Because we get old, your minds get old, we will get tired and fed up of doing things. All the energy what you have today, that I will get promoted and I will do, and all that fades away slowly. And that particular time, your money should not stop. Your money should make money. So for that, investment knowledge is very important. It takes a lot of time. Not everybody is an expert. I'm in a journey of learning of investments. So as and when I can share, I will share with you. So now today, one example to all my subscribers, let's invest this money either in mutual fund, or let's say end of the day fixed deposit, or wherever you want to invest in any equity stock, only if you're aware of it. Now I'm not an expert to check all the equity stock, or I'm not expert to understand which stock is gonna go up. Then utilize the informations given by these experts. Now let's say one example is Smallcases. Okay, so now let's see we can directly put this money. Now we have so many small cases over here. These are not mutual fund, okay? This is equity. So now let me discover everything. Let's see all small cases. Okay, this is all small case. So I'm just putting a filter. So this, you can put filter based on your requirement, amount and all that. This is nothing but returns given. So I want to see which is that which has given highest return. Now let's say this has given almost average annual return around 38%, 35%, 35. It is filtered in the highest way. Obviously the risk will be high if you're taking, if you see it is mentioned here high risk, right? So read all this, don't just blindly get into it. Read all this stuff. You have high risk. Now let me just go down. Okay, I'm just showing you guys, and I'm just using like you, end user. So this is moderate risk, and as and when the returns reduce, the risk also will be balanced. So basically your returns and risk are balanced. So now I know this 10,000 I'm going to spend like anything. Instead of that, let me try to take a chance with, let's say, highest risk one with a high, let's say at least if I compare the sheets, okay, where is that? I have seen it somewhere. Wait. Okay, so performance versus small equity, small cap, large cap, equity, everything, gold and everything. Okay, see this chart, guys. So this is small case. Small case means there will be so many equity stocks. If 1, 2, 3 goes down, rest others will be going up, and they will be rebalancing. They will ask you to sell it and buy it. They'll be giving you notification. So that is the idea of the small case done by this company. Small case company who's a tie-up with Zerodha, 5 Paisa and Alice Blue. Everybody has tie-up with this small case, and it is utilized by most of them, and I see a good progress. So you see equity stock has given around 11% and gold is given 6% and FD maximum of 7%. These are all maximum things given in the market. So this one is around 38%. So let's say, read this below. Past performance doesn't guarantee future returns and is inclusive of all rebalances. Rebalance means they'll be sending sell the stock and buy the stock. They'll be cleaning your portfolio neatly, because some companies may go down or up, so they will remove that company and ask you to buy other companies. So after rebalancing, this is what they have got, 38%. So remember, okay, so this is just a rough idea. Maybe I want to beat the fixed deposit interest, I want to beat gold interest, I want to beat equity interest. Let's say I want at least 15%. So only I'm planning this 38% one, considering in future it can give me at least 15%, beating all this other investments. Okay, so this is how you can also plan. So 100 rupees invested once is nothing but 670 rupees in small case. Gold, it has created 142, equity around 190, and this is around 151. So this is how a small example they are given. What is the stock weightages? These are the stocks, and inside this they have aerospace, real estate one stock, metals one stock, construction. So these are high risk stocks. You can customize also, that is secondary. All right. So if I have to hit the buy small case, I think it is going to take the order connecting to Zerodha broker, because I'm using Zerodha app right now. So how much I want to invest? Minimum is 1,690 rupees to buy the small case, because it will invest in every stock. So let me put my profit. I know brokerage will go 400 rupees today, but I will adjust tomorrow in my profits. I'll try to make 400 rupees extra. 400 rupees I will recover in my next trade. So 10,000 I'm investing as a part of my wealth creation. Okay, so I'm investing 10,000 from my profit, not from my saving account. This is from my profit I'm reinvesting. So I'm confirming it. Now what is this? Investment amount. They're saying investment amount of 9,889 is good, because it will buy so many shares. Okay, set up a monthly SIP reminder for 5,000. No, as of now I don't want. If you want, if you hit, I think it will get automatically 5,000 gets deducted from this particular, for this particular small case. It will be investing, reinvesting. Okay, investing, it will be adding. So I don't want to do that. I'll just put once money. Later, if it is good, I will try to put my extra profit, because I don't know how much profit I'm going to make. So 9,889. So I'm giving buy small case, and if I give confirm order, okay, I think the orders are getting filled. Order placed. Future, you will thank you for this. Small case index value has been set to 100 for easier tracking. Okay, cool. I think it is done. Now let me just go to my portfolio. Now if you see in my portfolio, it has taken all those shares as a CNC order. If you see this 24 shares of BEL, 9 shares Brigade, 8 shares, 5 shares, 7 shares. It has bought at CNC. If you see, all these are CNC trades, not intraday. So today it will be there in my position and tomorrow it will go to my holdings, right? So slowly it will move to holdings and it will stay there like a normal stocks. So these are like normal stocks taken. Just that remember, it will be giving you notifications for rebalancing. Keep checking your Smallcase. I think in Smallcase they will give you notifications. So click on rebalance. Automatically it will sell that 24 shares and buy other stock, or it will sell this 9 share and buy some other stock. It will balance your portfolio properly. Okay, so that's how they keep it. So that's how you have to manage your portfolio, that the experts are doing. So don't need to break your head. And always in this is risk is high. When risk is high, it can be negative and positive. So if you are a person who is scared of risk, then take low risk and low returns. So that's how you manage. This is small case. Like that we have mutual fund which is lesser comparatively. Then we have fixed deposit which is more lesser. And if you don't put anywhere, then it will be in your bank account. 1 lakh rupees will be there. After 5 years, it will be around 50,000 value only. Okay. So this was a small example. I just wanted to show to my subscribers that the money which you're making from the market, rather than wasting it, yes, you can enjoy it for a few days, then don't waste it right now, because if you start investing now, at least few years down the line, your money can make some good money for you. Now it may look very small. Now this 10,000 I can make, let's say maximum I made 10%, I made 1,000 rupees, but I keep investing 10,000 monthly or weekly. If I put 10,000, imagine 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, the number becomes big. So it is like cumulative. Keep adding and adding and adding. In a longer run, you will benefit. Okay, so a person who gets more money is not wealthy. Okay, the person who has assets. Okay, so getting money, too much money, and spending so much money, he doesn't become rich. A person who has a net asset or investments in his name is called rich, because he has money to spend. Okay, he has excess money to spend. So don't waste your money, even though you're getting so much of money, saying I earn so much. But what is the point? Are you investing in the right place, in such that the future this money makes some money? So that's how we create wealth. So this is one example of reinvestment of your profits. I just gave an example of this. You can invest in many other factors. For that, you need to understand investment. Ask your investment advisors before investments, because investments will hold risk. When market turns anyhow, these investments can go down. So be careful, consult or learn more about investment, because intraday is very short term period. It is like 2020 match. It happens very faster. In a long run, you need to make a wealth from this profit in such a way that that money should make money in a longer run, and so that you slowly reduce trading in intraday, because intraday is like more of you get the more money you get, you keep trading. So that behavior should go down. So reduce the trades in intraday. The profits you invest in these type of positionals or long-term investments where money can make some money for you. Hope this type of idea will help a lot of people from today onwards. I know it is not a one-day process. It's a long-term process. So from today onwards, let's see in few years, when we see our channel and our subscribers, if you have done good investments and if money is making money for you guys, then thank me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Share this video with all your friends and all your colleagues who are earning or students, so that they get educated at the right time and invest early in their age. So hit that subscribe button. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.